Kidney health is often overlooked until problems arise. Yet these organs are essential for filtering toxins, regulating blood pressure, balancing electrolytes, and maintaining hydration. Every day, your kidneys work tirelessly to process approximately 50 gallons of blood, removing waste and excess fluids. However, factors like a poor diet, dehydration, and exposure to toxins can weaken them over time, leading to complications like kidney stones, infections, or even chronic kidney disease. What if there was a natural remedy, time-tested and trusted by traditional healers, to help restore and heal your kidneys? Quick reminder, if you're enjoying the content, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below. One of the most powerful natural remedies for kidney health is parsley juice or tea. Parsley has been used for centuries as a natural diuretic, helping the kidneys flush out toxins and excess sodium. It's rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and essential nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and beta-carotene, all of which protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. Parsley also contains compounds like apiol and myristicin, which promote urine production and reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Drinking a cup of parsley tea or fresh parsley juice daily can help cleanse the kidneys and rejuvenate their function. Another incredible remedy is lemon water, a simple yet powerful drink that supports kidney detoxification and prevents kidney stones. Lemons are high in citric acid, which binds to calcium deposits and helps dissolve potential kidney stones before they can grow. Starting your morning with warm water and the juice of half a lemon hydrates your body and encourages the kidneys to flush out waste. The alkalizing effect of lemon water also reduces acidity in the blood and urinary tract, making it a protective remedy against infections. Cranberry juice is another traditional remedy known for its kidney healing properties. This juice is especially effective in preventing urinary tract infections, which can lead to kidney infections if left untreated. Cranberries contain proanthocyanidins, compounds that prevent bacteria like E. coli from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. By reducing bacterial buildup, cranberry juice protects the kidneys from inflammation and promotes their overall health. It's important to choose unsweetened cranberry juice to avoid excess sugar, which can strain the kidneys. Dandelion root tea is a favorite among herbalists for cleansing and strengthening the kidneys. Dandelion root is a natural diuretic, increasing urine production to help flush out toxins and excess fluids. It also contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the kidneys and improve their ability to filter waste efficiently. Drinking a cup of dandelion root tea a few times a week can support kidney health while also promoting liver detoxification, which indirectly eases the load on the kidneys. Celery juice is another remarkable remedy for healing the kidneys. Celery is packed with essential nutrients, including potassium, vitamin K, and antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Celery also acts as a natural diuretic, helping the kidneys eliminate waste and excess water more effectively. It's particularly beneficial for reducing uric acid levels, which can lead to kidney stones and gout if left unchecked. Drinking fresh celery juice regularly supports hydration and kidney detoxification. Turmeric, often hailed as a superfood, is a potent natural remedy for kidney health. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that protects kidney cells from damage caused by toxins and chronic inflammation. Turmeric also supports healthy blood pressure levels, reducing strain on the kidneys. Adding turmeric to your meals, smoothies, or making golden milk with turmeric and plant-based milk is a simple way to incorporate its benefits into your daily routine. Watermelon juice is a hydrating and kidney-friendly drink that aids in flushing out toxins. Watermelon is naturally rich in water and contains citrulline, a compound that helps reduce ammonia levels in the body. Drinking watermelon juice not only hydrates the kidneys, but also promotes urine production, helping to cleanse the urinary tract. This remedy is especially beneficial during the summer months when the kidneys may be under additional stress from dehydration. Another traditional remedy for kidney health is beet juice. Beets are rich in nitrates, which improve blood flow to the kidneys, and betaines, which help reduce oxidative stress. Beet juice also increases urine acidity, which can prevent the formation of kidney stones by dissolving calcium oxalate deposits. Adding a glass of beet juice to your routine a few times a week can naturally boost kidney function and detoxify the body. Aloe vera juice is well known for its healing properties and is highly effective for kidney health. Aloe vera contains compounds that reduce inflammation, promote hydration, and support the detoxification processes of the kidneys. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is critical for individuals with diabetes, a leading cause of kidney damage. Drinking pure aloe vera juice, free of added sugars, can help protect and repair kidney tissue. Hibiscus tea is another natural remedy that supports kidney health. Rich in antioxidants, hibiscus helps reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. This tea is also a natural diuretic, increasing urine production and flushing out toxins. Additionally, hibiscus tea has been shown to lower blood pressure, which is crucial for reducing strain on the kidneys. A cup of hibiscus tea daily can be a delicious and effective way to support kidney health. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins, which protect the kidneys from free radical damage and improve their filtering efficiency. Green tea also reduces inflammation, lowers blood pressure, and supports overall metabolic health. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of unsweetened green tea daily can provide long-term benefits for kidney function. Apple cider vinegar, diluted in water, is another effective remedy for kidney health. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps dissolve kidney stones and prevent new ones from forming. It also aids in balancing the body's pH levels, promoting an environment that supports healthy kidney function. Mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with water and drinking it daily can help cleanse and rejuvenate your kidneys. Combining these remedies with proper hydration, a balanced diet, and regular exercise is the key to maintaining strong, healthy kidneys. These natural solutions have been trusted by traditional healers for generations and offer a simple, effective way to support kidney health without relying on harsh medications. By incorporating these remedies into your daily routine, you can give your kidneys the care they need to function at their best, naturally restoring balance and vitality to your body. And now, keep watching for more health tips.